How to change private account to public on Snapchat. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application Snapchat. Make sure you are logged in into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to your profile at the top left corner, and then click on the settings icon at the top right corner. Once you're inside the settings, scroll down, and in the section of privacy and controls, you have to head over to View My Story. You have to set it to My Friends, or you can also custom it, and then move into Contact Me. Set the settings to Friends and Contacts. After that, click on See Me in Find Friends and enable this option. Now people will be able to find you and your account easily. This way, your account is no more private and it has been converted to public. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.